But does GutOptim really work? That's the big question, right? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about GutOptim, what it is, how it works, the kind of results you can expect, and whether it's really worth the investment. I'll leave the link to the official website down below in the description so you can check out all the details, see the current prices, and decide if it makes sense for you. So, what is GutOptim? GutOptim is a natural supplement designed to improve gut health and relieve digestive discomfort. And to be honest, I was skeptical at first. There are so many products out there making miracle claims, right? What makes GutOptim stand out is that it combines probiotics, prebiotics, and natural ingredients to bring your gut back into balance, helping reduce bloating, gas, and improving digestion overall. What kind of problems does it help with? If you're dealing with chronic bloating, gas, constipation, or other uncomfortable digestive issues, this supplement is made for that. It works directly on rebalancing your gut flora, promoting smoother and more efficient digestion. How do you use GutOptim? It's super simple. Just take 2 capsules per day with plenty of water. Some people feel improvements within the first few weeks, but the best results come with consistent use over time. It's not overnight magic, but a real and lasting process. So, is GutOptim worth trying? In my opinion, yes, it is. If you're tired of waking up with discomfort, feeling bloated, or relying on meds just to get through the day, this might be the natural relief you've been looking for. Once again, I'll leave the link to the official website down below so you can see the updated prices, discounted bundles, and decide for yourself. Take care of your gut health now, while there's still time to turn things around. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest health product reviews. Take care, and see you in the next video!